So today I'm here at the Suhail Festival here in Qatar. So let's start. So the Suhail Festival is basically a exhibition related to falcons and other falcon related things, and there are a lot of falcons here as you can see. So these falcons are quite expensive. Look at this, 30,000 for that one. This one is 40,000. And there is one right there. I think that's a special one because it's sitting in the center. Look at that. $41,000, 60,000 for that one. 60,000 for a bird. Can you imagine it? And this one is 70,000 reals.
سوار معرض السير الكرام، نرحب بكم وندعو حضراتكم لالتزام الابتداء الكمام والمحافظة على التباعد الاجتماعي. عدم احترام الإجراءات سيؤدي إلى مغادرتكم للمعرض، وشكرا.
That's the special falcon.
الله يحييك الله يحييك دوم. اسمع انطر الساعة الأخيرة توناها. بدي أسوي حركة أنا اللي خلاص انقطع يا أخي. هذا الرجال.
Look at this safari Land Cruiser. There's a Jimny also. Another Land Cruiser. Full off-roading kits and off-roading upgrade on this.
See this one?
Yes.
It's alive. See?
Yes, that's alive.
See? Tell me. The bird go to the desert. There is a migrated bird come in the raining time. So put this worm. When the bird try to eat it, like this, you will catch it.
Ah.
Yeah.
It's a trap for the bird to catch it.
To catch the bird.
Okay.
Yeah.
There is also a Land Cruiser model here. These are accessories for your car when you go off-roading. This is the overview of the festival exhibition. These are some daggers and knives for you to, after the hunting process, to cut the bird and things. These are snipers for the guns and binoculars also. Flashlights. Bags and everything. This is the stand for the falcon. The falcon sits on this when it is not hunting. And these are the gloves. You wear these gloves before catching the bird. And these are slingshots over here. There are lots of feathers and everything. These are the caps for the falcon's head. So when they are not hunting and when they are around people, they put this cap on them so that they cannot try to bite or try to fly away. This is the cap. This one is from Pakistan. This is also a Pakistani stall. Look at this knife.
هذا جلد غزال, very soft. Only here in only. So these are the special gloves we made from the deer skin. These are different designs, 5 designs, deer skin. These are the hoods, goat leather, all goat leather. These all same hoods, goat leather. Cow leather gloves. Different designs, 8 different design cow leather gloves. This is our new handmade invention. This is the Falcon stand for the cars, Lexus and Land Cruiser. This one. Only we have this in Qatar. No one else has this. This is our new invention. Right? These are Falcon stands for the.
These are the hunting clothes. Look at this. So that you are in full camouflage when you are trying to hunt the birds. You can get all accessories from here, jackets and everything. This is a VIP shop, I think. They are selling knives and daggers. Look at them. There are some paintings here. If you want to play with your cars while the Falcon is hunting, there are also remote control cars here. Some jet planes also. A drone. These are paintings on wallets and things. Chests and wallets. There are so many falcons here. Look at this. Those are all falcons. Look at this. This wood right here is for 1600 riyals. Can you believe it? There's another one. And another one. More paintings there. If that's not enough, they also have a Falcon hospital here. There are more paintings here. Racing dogs, horse. Lots of wildlife back there. This is not a picture, it is an oil painting. Price of this is 3700. Look at this. Tigers and ligers. White tiger, normal tiger. That's a liger, I think. Look at this baby cub. There is a giant polar bear also. Look at that. Look at that. There are weapons and guns also. Look at that. Look at this gun. These guns are dedicated to the one of the 2022 World Cup stadiums. This is for Al Janoub. This is for the Al Bayt Stadium. And there are many around here. This one is for the Lusail Stadium. Now comes my favorite part, the hunting cars. You see this Land Cruiser here? Well, it is not just a Land Cruiser. It is an off-roading beast with every supplies you need. See, it on this there is a fixed tap, fixed stove. There is an electric stove also, a grill for you to do barbecue, and accessories bag and everything. And it all folds up and goes back in there. There are 2 spare tires on the back. And they even have a TV on this. Everything folds back and goes inside. Just look at this. Full off-roading upgrade and everything. Look at the tires on this thing, they are huge. There is a classic GMC Sierra standing here. Look at this Land Cruiser. It is a full off-roading beast. I will show you it from the front. Look at that.
Welcome to Sail Exhibition. Please maintain wearing your mask, as well as keeping social distancing. No respecting these measures will mean you have to leave the exhibition. Thank you.
The Land Rover Defender is also here from Al Fardan Motors. Look at this. They have made this special 110 edition for the hunting and everything. Look at that. Okay guys, so this was a very unique and different experience for me. I enjoyed a lot and I got to know about a lot of things, so it was quite knowledgeable also. So this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I will see you in the next one. Until next time, bye.